8 signs you are eating too much sugar. Who does not love sugar? Sweet crystalline carbohydrate seems to be everywhere and in everything, but consuming too much of it can be detrimental to your health. Sugar-rich foods can be hard to avoid. Some of the biggest top-10 include syrups of drinks, candy, and cereals. According to the American Heart Association, the maximum amount of added sugar one sold consuming daily is 150 calories, 37.5 grams per day for men and 100 calories, 25 grams per day for women, an amount that easily separated by drinking one of Coke. Most people are surprised to learn the many physical ways in which expensive sugar it makes manufacturally itself. Did you know, for example, that feed information can be one of sign in an interview with everyday health Sherry Green appetizers from New York City said the sugar, along with your refined grains and trans fat, is the one of the chemical that encourage inflammation in the body, including your feet. So, knowing this, it's best the keeping on of those physical impact. And friends, before we beginning the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily video and health tips like this, and hit on the like button for motivation and boost up. Please don't forget. Number 1. The constant craving for sugar. The more sugar you're consuming, the more you will try, making a sweet stuff similar to the drug. Sugar gives a temporary high, followed by crash, which triggers the body to want more. Number 2. Feeling sluggish. If you notice that you can feel tired, lack energy, a good chance it has to do it with your sugar intake. Energy stable has a lot of sugar, blood cell sugar. Consuming of too much sugar will send that sugar for roller coaster. It's important to maintain stable blood sugar levels, as too much can not only result in weight gain but deeply your natural energy at focus. Number 3. Screen baking out. Acne and resource can easily break out those sensitive to getting spike in insulin from high dose of sugar. Excessive sugar consumption can show upon one face just a matter of a day. Your skin appears continuously breaking up down and doesn't seem to improve Godel surgery. It may be your diet that needs to be realized. Number 4. Weight gain. Sugar is wide of protein and fiber, which result in exercise of consumption because it doesn't fill up. The more sugar you intake, the more excess calories are being consumed. Sugar triggers the release of insulin, a hormone that contributes to weight gain, which eventually causes insulin resistance when the body cannot react the normal of amounts. Insulin resistance is it only linked with the weight gain, but also diabetes. Number 5. Bad attitude. So friends, still nobody like our videos. Please like our video and hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget friends, let's go into the topic. Not only exercise, sugar intake toll on your physics and your health and also your mental health. Consuming too much sugar, your mind or other people will begin to notice then a much moodier than usual. Plus sugar peaks and sudden crashes can cause mood swing and your irritability. These extreme changes of sugar levels can also make symptoms of those who are suffering of anxiety. Friends, enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and tomorrow will be same time and see you on that video. Don't forget, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.